Welcome to the overview of Wireless Standard Employee Time Clock Manager. Employee Time Clock tool will help your company to track your staff hours directly in Wireless Standard POS. You may use different ways to access Time Clock. There's a Time Clock button in the right upper corner of your point of sale screen. You may also use Welcome Center Time Clock widget, as well as Workspace widget on the right-hand side of the screen. And finally, you may go to Manage, Employees, Employee Time Clock. Whichever option is selected, you will have to confirm your password to record clock in, clock out time at the beginning and at the end of your shifts. If you're not logged in but you need to clock in, System will allow you to select your own username and enter your own password without logging into Wireless Standard itself. There's also an option to clock in or out with special individual employees cards. The status of the clock button will depend on the last action taken. In the case your employee forgot to clock in or clock out in time, and you need to fix the record, you would go to Manage, Employees, Employee Time Clock Manager. Select Store, Username, Date, and hit Search. You may adjust date and time directly in a record line. Click Duration section to see the updated hours. If you have any doubts about someone else changing employees' hours, you may check logs with the Help View Log button on the bottom panel. You will see if there's any changes made and who's made them. Employee total hours will be reflected in all time and attendance reports. Click Reporting button on the top panel to run these reports. Open Time and Attendance folder. Employee hours and employee timesheet reports show all employee log for the selected period of time. Apply necessary filters and hit OK. As you can see, we have all logs listed and we can check total hours on the bottom. Employee Attendance Report will allow you to compare your employees' schedule hours to the actual working hours. You may apply different filters. And when you hit OK, you will have two values for each employee: total scheduled hours and total clocked hours. This report is already grouped by employee name by default, but you may always expand each group to look for detailed logs. You may easily export or print out hours reports and subscribe to get the timesheets emailed to you on a regular basis. This concludes the overview of Employee Time Clock Manager and Employee Attendance Reports. Thank you.